Here is how to set up recurring payments in HoneyBook, step by step. Start by going to Projects in HoneyBook. Then open the project where you want to create the recurring payments. This brings you into the client workspace connected to the invoice you are about to build. So make sure you are in the correct project before moving forward. Once the project is open, click Create File and choose Recurring Invoice. That opens the invoice setup flow for a repeating payment schedule instead of a one-time invoice. From there, choose how you want to begin. You can use a template if you already have a format you reuse, start from a recent file if you want to base it on something similar, or start from blank if you want to enter everything fresh. After that, fill in the invoice details. Add the client information shown for the project. Include the services you are billing for, and set the pricing for each item. If the invoice needs taxes or discounts, apply those here as well. This is the part where the recurring invoice gets its actual billing content, so review the amounts as you enter them. Next, move to the right sidebar and look for payment options. Under Frequency, select Recurring. This changes the invoice from a single payment into a repeating series. Then set the first invoice due date. Choose how often the invoice should repeat, such as month, based on the schedule you want to use. After that, decide when the recurring series should end. You can set an endpoint if the payments should stop after a certain time, or leave it on no end date if the billing should continue until you change it later. In the same area, choose how clients can pay. You can allow payment by credit card, bank account, or both, depending on what you want to offer for this invoice. If you need either of the optional settings, you can also enable tips or apply client fees before moving on. With the schedule in place, scroll down to the Payment Schedule section. Review the listed invoice dates, due dates, and the full recurring pattern that HoneyBook has generated from your settings. This is the place to catch any timing issue before the invoice goes out, especially the first due date and the repeat interval. When everything looks right, click Preview to review the recurring invoice as it will appear before sending. Check the details one more time, then click Share to send it to your client. Sharing the invoice is what activates the recurring payment schedule, so make sure the content and timing are correct before you send it. Your recurring invoice is now set up in HoneyBook and shared with the recurring payment schedule activated.